Alright fellas, let me show you what we got today. Came in this yard, we got this reach forklift. It's a 12K, 512. It's a JCB. So now let me show you what the issue with this bad boy is. Oh, this is rubbing. You can see the top goes up here, yellow. So they obviously split. You got the left ones and you got the right ones. So we're gonna go ahead and lube it up, take them out. Most likely, it's easy. Bam. So here we are taking all the bolts off. I'll take all those clamps off, leading to the hose. Now what we're doing here is preventable maintenance. Now this machine came in just as a checkout, but y'all see this? I mean, there's no telling. You take that out to the job site, all the fluid starts to come out, makes a big leak, and you got yourself a bigger issue, which you could have solved earlier. So looks like we're gonna take this whole roller off to be able to get the hose to come through down here. I'll keep you updated, see what's going on. So we got the wire pulled out some. We went ahead and took some of the holders out the way. I see it. Goes over the top of the extend cylinder. Comes across. It's gonna be a little tricky, sticky situation right here, but hopefully we can make it fit through there. Let's go, boy. We got the old hose out the clamp. Luckily it fit through there. So we got the new one. Slide it right through, hook them up, and let's see what we got. Here we got the new hose. Ran through. Let me show you. It goes right through the boom stack. Comes out this hole right here. Boom. Transfers to the left. Go around. Right there. Look at that bad boy. All we're gonna do is just put the clamps back together, put the new hose back on, function test it, and let's go.